Yeah, everybody talks about going viral. I would tell them stop thinking of it like buying lottery tickets and start thinking of it as dropping seeds in the ground. Over and over and over again, when I was in the radio industry, I would encounter business owners and managers who wanted to buy a campaign and think that that was the home run that they were going to hit, that people were going to flood inside their doors and all of their problems would be over forever and ever. And it doesn't work like that. Very few things work like that. That, to me, seemed like a lottery ticket mentality as opposed to having the mentality of just consistently and constantly dropping seeds into the ground. You build that habit and you get into that routine and tune into it and adjust accordingly as you go. Success is just going to run into you. It's inevitable, but you got to do the work.